Welcome to this video on learning C programming using online C compiler. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about arithmetic operator, addition and subtraction. So very simple operations, how to use them in our C programming we'll see. Okay, using arithmetic operators, plus and minus in C programming. Okay, so first you have to include the header file, standard input output header file, because after calculating the result we want to print the output. So for printing the necessary library function, it is defined in standard input output header file. Then whatever operations you are going to write, that you should write in main program. Okay, so void main function you have to define. Okay, so here I am going to define C program mark in theory. Okay, and C program mark in lab. Okay, so C program I have declared two mark variables to store the theory mark and lab mark. Okay, so now total mark also we want to find out. Total marks. Okay, total marks in C program. Okay, so now after this I want to store what are the marks in C program theory. Okay, so out of 50 for theory, out of 50 for lab, and total marks out of 100. Okay, so 45 marks the student has scored, assume like that. Then C program mark in lab. Okay, so he scored 49, assume like that. Then total marks in C program. Okay, so that's equal to C program marks in theory plus C program marks in lab. Okay, so now we want to print how much mark the student has scored total. Okay, so now let's execute. Okay, so 45 and 49 he scored, so total is 94. If you want to print in a new line, /n you can use, and total, if you want to print total marks scored in C program subject. Okay, so whatever we give, this will be just printed. Okay, so if you want to give like that, you can give. Total marks scored in C program subject, it is 94. Okay, so now I want to using the total marks in the C program, I want to subtract the lab marks and I want to print. So for that, if you want to use a subtraction, you can use. Okay, total marks C program, okay, minus C program marks in lab. Okay, so that I want to store it okay, maybe in another variable, only theory marks. Okay, using the total marks if you want to find out. Okay, so you can make use of that. equal to total marks C program minus C program lab. Now if you want to print it, okay, subtraction, to demonstrate that I just used indirect way of calculating how only theory marks you can find out from the total marks and by using the lab marks. So here I just want to print only the theory marks. Okay, so percentage D because it is integer. Okay, so theory marks, so that you can print it. Okay, so here if you want to print only the theory marks, you can give it here. Okay, so here colon, if you want you can print it. So now let's see. So now we have printed the total score and theory marks. So using this program you have learned to use plus and minus arithmetic operators for performing addition and subtraction. Thank you for watching this video.